Understanding the phrase, to throw a puck in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, to throw a puck. This phrase might sound a bit strange, especially if you're new to English, but don't worry, we'll explain everything step by step. So, let's get started. First, let's explore the origins of to throw a puck. This phrase comes from the world of ice hockey, a popular sport in countries like Canada and the USA. In ice hockey, a puck is a small, hard, rubber disc that players hit with their sticks. The action of throwing a puck is not literal but has a figurative meaning in everyday English. Now, let's differentiate between the literal and figurative meanings. Literally, to throw a puck would mean to physically toss a hockey puck. However, in everyday language, this phrase is used figuratively. It usually means to start something, especially something challenging or competitive, similar to starting a game of hockey by throwing the puck into play. In this section, we'll see how to throw a puck is used in everyday conversations. It's often used to describe the start of a business venture, a challenging project, or even an argument. For example, when John started his new company, he really threw a puck into the industry. Be careful not to confuse this phrase with similar sounding expressions. Remember, to throw a puck is about starting something significant or competitive. It's not used for starting mundane tasks or casual activities. And that's a wrap on to throw a puck. We hope this video has clarified this interesting phrase for you. Remember, understanding such phrases can really add color to your English. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!